What's up, Dreamedia family? This is Zach, and I'm out here with John from Epson. Today, we are going to be checking out the brand new QL7000 from Epson. We're going to get into all of the details after the intro. Let's go! Welcome back, Dreamedia family. We're out here at CEDIA 2024 checking out the Epson booth. They've introduced a few new key models today at the show, and we checked out previously the QB1000, which is a dedicated home theater projector with all the bells and whistles, coming in at a very compelling price point, a little performance jump over the previous generation, the Epson LS12000, which was one of our best-selling, affordable, absolutely best-in-class performance projectors for dedicated home theater use. Now, you guys are up in the game with the QL series. We checked out the 3000 series yesterday. Beautiful. And oh my gosh, wow, what a beautiful picture. Amazing. Super high lumen output. Yep. I was thoroughly impressed with the lens options as well, giving us the ability to integrate into many different situations. Now, today, I'd love to discuss the differences and an overview of the QL7000, which is the flagship. So John, give all of our viewers a rundown on this amazing unit.
You see the swell on my face? That's how excited I am about this projector. Epson's dominated that dark theater space for many, many years, and now we're bringing it out into the living room, bringing it out from the darkness into the light, and that's what the QL7000 is going to do for you. At 10,000 lumens, both color and white, it's going to cut through the ambient light in the room, and it's also going to allow you to project onto a large target.
What size we got?
That's a 180-inch screen right there.
Wow.
And you need brightness. Brightness is the key in order to be able to handle the ambient light, to be able to still have a beautiful image on a large screen. You got to have that brightness, and that's what you get with the QL7000.
Yeah, it's absolutely stunning, guys. 180 inches back here. Now, let's talk a little bit more about the tech specs. So, let's dive deeper. 10,000 lumens, great, right? But tell me more.
Yeah, so 10,000 lumens, you're going to get the 4K on there. You're going to get all the pixels that you need to have that beautiful image.
Through the 3 LCD, you want to talk about the technology that you guys use?
Sure. At the core of every Epson projector is our 3-chip 3 LCD that Epson created. It's our technology. Just 3 chips, RGB, just continuous color, so you don't have any spinning wheels. You're just going to get nice, smooth, continuous color. We use it in all of our projectors, and it's just great technology.
And it is reproducing 4K native on screen.
Yeah, and people, we upscale our 4K. You're still getting true 4K on the screen, but the advantage of that, the way we do it, is that you're gonna get brightness. Brightness is the key. So we're not sacrificing brightness by going native or whatever. We love this technology. It works great for us, and it gives you everything you need for that image.
And that's what I love about Epson, is just that insane, vibrant, color pop, high contrast, vibrant image that you guys produce. Right now, I know we talked a little bit about the 3000 and all of the variants and formatting. The QB model, the QB1000, did produce all formats up to HDR 10+. Does this unit fall in line with the QL3000 in that it does not support the HDR 10+?
Yes, sir. Same format, basically, between the QL series,
Yes, so this is for my game rooms. This is for my multi-purpose spaces.
You're in my living room right now. This is for the living room. This is for the bedroom. Here's another advantage of this projector. Conquering other spaces, it's very quiet.
Yeah, talk a little bit about the fan noise. I think we were talking like 28 dB.
28 to 33 dB. So 33 dB max at full power, and that's like a soft whisper. So, if you want to put one in your bedroom over your bed, you don't have to worry about the fan noise drowning out the sound from your content. So nice and quiet, running cool. The lasers run cool. So it's just a perfect unit for any room that you want to take it into.
All right, guys, so we're going to dive deep into some of the product technical specifications next. John, go ahead and take it away. These are brand new models, so we're going to display on screen some of these technical specifications that you guys can view, and John will reiterate them.
Yep. So you are getting the full 10-bit HDR on this, like we talked about. Yep. So you're going to get that beautiful image, nice smooth image. Some of the other things, it does use our new QZX processor, which is new to these projectors.
Yeah,
so 32-bit. Yeah. So we're advancing our processors because, again, we want that nice smooth image. We want the content to look the way that it's supposed to look, or if you do some adjustments the way you want it to look. So this new QZX processor is just handling the content better, taking out any of the juddering, any of the artifacts that may be in there, just so you can get that clear, crystal clear, beautiful image on the screen.
Wonderful.
Yep.
HDMI ports. Well, let's just kind of run through it.
Sure.
So we're coming in at 10,000 lumens. We're 4K, displaying 8.29 million pixels.
Yep.
The HDMI ports are the latest and greatest, 2.1, 40 gigabit per second. I think we were talking about like a 20 millisecond input lag.
Right, 20 milliseconds, so
pretty quick.
Much less than the eye can see. So for the gamers, it's an awesome system.
Imagine gaming, guys, on a 180-inch panel. I mean, wow, talk about immersive.
Immersive experience.
So we just talked about the QZX 32-bit picture processor.
Yep.
We got the full 10-bit HDR, HDR10 HDL. We do have dynamic tone mapping.
Yep.
Very nice.
Yep.
And then what's really cool about the QL series is the interchangeable lenses. And in particular, I was speaking with the marketing director, Mark, and he was telling me about the quality of the build of these lenses,
right.
and that they're all glass.
Yeah.
So you're getting that corner to corner,
right,
crystal, super sharp imaging. Do you want to talk about the lenses?
Sure. Yeah, the multi-lens array. Not all lenses are created equal.
They are not.
Right?
They are not. And many different manufacturers are using a lot of acrylic-based lenses,
right?
Or glass acrylic hybrid plastic lenses,
right?
You can't get the sharpness out of those type of lenses.
Right.
So yeah, tell us more.
Extremely important. Yeah. So the multi-layer array laser just gives you the full scope. So like you said, you could have some corners that are blurred. Maybe the picture, because in the center of the lens is flat, but it's rounded on the corners, right? So if you don't hit your image precisely with our multi-layer laser, then you're going to get the bends in the corners. So with our system, with our lenses, you don't have to worry. And like you mentioned, there's a lot of different lenses. I think there's about a dozen different lenses. We really want the projector to work with the room, and not have to build a room around our projector. So that's what that all gives you.
Well, you guys are just crushing it. I mean, maybe we can show a little B-roll, but they do have the QL3000 in this room right next to us, with a nice ultra short throw ceiling mount snorkel.
Sure.
And wow, talk about a problem solver.
Amazing.
That's a great unit, and that can be applied to all of those lenses. Can be applied to the QL7000 as well.
Sir. Yeah, and a big part of this is design, the whole aesthetics design factor with the QL7000. The black chunky box is okay for a dark theater room. In your living room, I've been married a long time. I got that wife acceptance factor. She's going to allow me to hang this big black plate. So we took a lot of thought into the chassis of the projectors to make them look nice in the
very
room.
compact as well. I think in comparison to some other competitors in the market, I mean, as an example, a Sony projector with the same lumen output, you're looking at like 3 times that size, and probably 2 to 3 times the noise.
Yeah, and 2 to 3 times the price.
Price as well. But I think another important thing to point out is the power requirements.
Right.
You want to talk about one can literally plug this puppy into any power outlet.
It's plugged into a wall socket back there.
That's it.
Right.
No crazy special power requirements.
Yep.
I think that's a game changer too. Giving people the ability to easily integrate into existing homes.
It's all about convenience, right? We don't want to have to tear down walls and add additional, make it simple and convenient for the customer. and the installer too, right? Install if it's
make it easy on my guys.
Yeah, they'll sell more if it's easy for them to install, right? So
that cuts back on the labor as well.
Right, absolutely.
Win-win all the way around.
Right.
So I also love that you guys include a 3-year warranty with the unit.
Right.
And is that an advanced replacement warranty like you guys have previously done, where like we have an issue with the unit, you throw it in the box, or they ship another one, you throw it in the box, and you're done?
Same.
I love
same process.
Convenient process.
Well, we can do that because we don't have a lot of failures in our projector, right? You know, not a lot come back for swap outs. It's electronic, things go wrong.
Things do happen. It's nice to get that expedited delivery. I mean, I literally was on site one week where, you know, we had a customer's projector have an issue. It was 2 days later. New projector shows up, pop it up on the ceiling, drop the old one in the box. We're done.
Right.
Customer's back up and running in 2 days.
It's a significant investment, you know, so we want to have the customer support, the back-end support with our customers to make sure that they're happy for the life that they're an Epson customer.
Yeah.
So that's the goal. Customer service is as important to us as the projectors that we are put on the market. So.
Well, I think the last thing that our viewers would love to see is we'll grab our nice DSLR camera and show you guys a little demo of this QL7000 on this massive 185-inch picture.
Yeah.
We'll add that in at the end of the video. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and found it informative and helping you make a buying decision. If you have further questions, reach out today for a free video consultation with one of my specialists. If you like this video, be sure to give us a big thumbs up and do not forget to smash that subscribe button down below for more. Till next time, this is Zach with Dreamedia, out here with John from Epson. Thanks for watching, guys. We'll catch you on the next one.